Want to learn how to change the password of your Spotify apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome. Tap on the search or type web address. Enter here spotify.com. This will take you to the official website of Spotify. You can see that I am already logged in. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. You can see it's an account overview. Scroll down. On the left corner, you can see an option of edit profile. Tap on edit profile. After getting into this edit profile section, tap on this edit profile above. Here you can see you have an option of change password below edit profile. Tap on change password. So now you need to enter your current password, create a new password, and repeat the particular new password once again. Tap on current password and enter your current password. Tap on new password and create a new password suitable for you. Make sure to make it stronger. Tap on repeat new password below and enter your new password once again. When you're done doing all, tap on set new password below. You can see that password has been updated. So this is how you do it. Now you can easily keep your new password and use it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.